listeners from all around the world, this is our weekly gist from the stable of Get Involved for the Matter. Today, we carry better thing can't give una today.
So.
And as you dey go on, I believe say you go enjoy yours too. My name is Uncle and I have my partner
Shockwave.
I am Zaza.
Oh my goodness, this is Zaza. Oni is not around. We miss her though.
Yeah.
Wow.
if Honey were here, I should be sitting by my side because Zaza is sitting by my side.
No, point
now.
of correction. By my side, I already paid the money.
I completed it.
You completed it, I will return it. Good day once again. Today we bring better topic on Jamuna.
So.
Which one will you prefer? Make you get friend, we get mouth odor and body odor. 2 in 1.
So.
Versus corner challenge. Versus person where they snore, when they allow you sleep for night. I do say you see that question, you get as it be. So 1 year. Some people view for studio now, so make you they follow us as we they move. So Shockwave, waiting be your own view now.
No, you say we not saying ladies first now.
Ladies first.
Zaza go first.
Zaza, are you ready for this?
Okay. Mouth odor, body odor.
Versus is match now.
As in
Arsenal versus Chelsea.
Okay. I feel like someone that snores, I could
manage.
But
wait,
I'll just be hitting you like you know.
Okay,
you know,
for you to
snoring
readjust.
Okay. Just calm down. But you see, mouth odor, body odor. I cannot stand that one.
But what if one day maybe you have your friend came back from somewhere, maybe you've missed your friend for a long time, your old friend. So she just came from maybe just say UK. Please, can I pass a night in your place? You know, you gladly say yes now. You know, maybe around 12 a.m. You can't hear something maybe like say, so maybe I know maybe now or something maybe scary.
I've slept with someone that used to talk like when
talk,
person is
sleep talking.
Yeah, we having like this
So
one is
like a conversation.
It was really scary. I woke up and I was looking like this.
What was this guy saying?
Wait, what was it? Did you really pick what he was saying?
Sometimes, stop now. Why are you doing this?
Because from what you are saying, it's like they were romancing him inside.
Madam, what is happening? What's going on? Are you doing meeting with your people?
What is going on? So that means that for me, it get as a bill.
Seriously.
But before I jam this matter back, I want to make Shockwave talk something.
See, if I'll just go straight to the point. If I can sleep with Jen on, I think I'm very cool with snoring.
Yeah.
Very, very cool with it.
But
no matter how loud it is, I will sleep very, very, very fine.
But,
though there are some kind of snoring that's very loud.
Okay, hold on.
When you will be dreaming, you'll be hearing the snore in your dream. Are you feeling me?
You don't experience say as you dey sleep, the person dey snore. But as the person dey snore, it can't be like say they tie you for dream. That means the person get influence
for my dream. No. I've never experienced that time. God forbid, I've never experienced that one.
See, snoring get level.
Sure now.
I don't experience one snoring where one guy do for me. He can't be like say in package snoring as birthday gift for me. That day, I almost tell God why. Why now? I'm passing through a lot of trauma on heads.
You don't give me another one. Another problem.
That day when I woke up, somebody now said, so they are fighting at the other street. I said, is it new? Is it new? Even the one I got myself engaged. It's even more than what you are telling me now.
The one I encountered.
I beg. For me, I would prefer body odor. At least, you know, say coronavirus don't help us. You got a nose mask.
So you can sleep with it.
I will sleep or stay awake with my nose mask. So I don't get problem with person who get body odor, mouth odor. My nose is protected.
Okay, have you ever experienced some kind of body odor that the smell will be peppering your eye?
Oh.
Have you experienced that one? Body odor, mouth.
So sometimes
Mouth odor, I go
Nali mess. Nali mess. Nah, I don't experience.
No, we need to talk about mess now.
Okay. We'll
No.
get Pepe.
No.
Oh boy, for me, body odor as if you manage. Say, okay, you my
No.
guy now. No man, you know, say all of us, we get guys or male or female guys, friends, but say we get one issue to do with maybe body odor
Yeah.
or mouth odor. So we say I do be say, no say those who get mouth odor now then they get secret pass. They go
yes.
one share that secret. So either. Yes, as they tell you for here, no say it's with the pass. You know happen one day like that, sir. We there for junction, we dey wait for keke. So the guy sha won't tell me sick. I say no.
No.
I'm going to the hospital. The guy can't begin the secret. My brother. Na ambulance now I know say carry us reach where we dey.
So please, if you have this mouth odor, body odor, no go near person we get asthma. Beg me no go kill him.
That's another problem.
Seriously,
That's another problem.
because you will choke. You will just choke the person to death.
So thank you, my people, for listening to this wonderful comic.
And yes, also we want to also advise those out there that please, when you were born very neat. God made us very neat right from our mother's womb.
Yeah.
So try as much as possible to maintain that. And there is also cure to snoring and all that. So try as much as you can to get all these
Even
things
this
sorted.
now, if we break relationship. So let's work on how, sometimes when we are stressed, we need to, it affects.
Yes, we need to
Then
relax.
the way we sleep sometimes affect the
Yes.
way we breathe. So
Yes.
we need to control that. Then what we eat matters to what
lot.
comes out through our skin. So our mouth, if we know that, okay, we have mouth odor, we can chewing gum
And or
It will
brush
help.
day and night. It will really assist
it
a whole
will
lot.
so much reduce it. Thank you. Today we hope to come with another exciting topic. Follow us on all our social media: YouTube, Twitter, Facebook,
And
Instagram.
A G involved 247.
We hope to meet you some other time. Bye bye.
Peace out.
àwọn àgbà mẹ́ni mo jẹ́ ọmọdé tó.